In this video, I'm going to be talking about Internet of Things and what that is. Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of physical objects or things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over Internet. These objects are range from everyday household items like thermostats and refrigerators to industrial machines, vehicles, and even wearable devices. The primary goal of IoT is to enable those objects to collect and share data, allowing them to be remotely monitored, controlled, and optimized, as well as those devices that need to be able to speak to each other, so so they can communicate to each other with those devices in your kitchen. Myself, I can understand this technology. How can it work in a professional setting? That would be perhaps a large manufacturing environment where you might be able to bring very expensive machinery inside the building and move that machine from point A to point B, and later you can find on uh, large data platform where all the information is kept, where that machinery is at the time, what's the usage, how many hours are going to be required for that machine to be used within 8, 12 hours, who is the person responsible for that project, what's the larger project, what's the time frame, what's the importance of that project within the scale, and if there's any material, you can move that material from one room to another, and potentially that software can keep a track of the material, how much material is in within the box, as well as where it's gonna be used, or what machine gonna be using that material, and potential time frame for a project or then that project to be completed. All this information. So a lot of companies up there, large cap companies up there, looking for this kind of software, and from day-to-day life, that would be perhaps kitchen, where small tasks can take place for general public, as well as high-end technology companies where they're looking for to complete different projects, and some of the equipment that they do have on site can be very expensive. Keep it tracking from serial numbers all the way where that machine is moving, who the last person who touched that machine, where he left that machine, right? Some of the problems that most of the people are currently facing, and how we're trying to solve those problems. Key components of Internet of Things include sensors and actuators. IoT devices are equipped with sensors to gather data from their surroundings, such as temperature, humidity, motion, light, and more. Actuators enable device to perform actions based on that data received. Connectivity. IoT devices typically connect to the internet or other networks using various communications technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, uh, cellular networks, and some of other companies have developed some interesting technologies there. Data processing. IoT devices often have some level of processing power to analyze the data they collect locally, which can reduce the need to constant communications with central servers. Edge computing and fog computing are concepts referred to as processing data closer to the source. Cloud computing. Data collected by IoT devices are often sent to a cloud-based services to storage, analysis, and long-term processing. Cloud platforms enable scalable and cost-effective storage and computing resources solutions. Data analytics and machine learning. IoT data is valuable for making informed decisions. Advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms can process this data, extract insights, detect patterns, and make predictions. Security. Ensuring the security and privacy of IoT devices and data is crucial. Devices need to be protected from cyber attacks, and data should be encrypted and securely transmitted. Applications: Internet of Things has a wide range of applications across industries, including smart homes, smart cities, healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, transportation, and more. For example, it can be used to automate home appliances, optimize energy usage, monitor patents, health, overall see health remotely, track inventory in real time, and enhance supply chain management. Just one side note, there are some projects up there, I don't know if I mentioned already, who has a collars on cows which tracks well-being of the cow, activity level, nutritional level, and all that information that is a part can be considered a part of Internet of Things, and how they're monitoring those cows and overall their performance, how active those cows are, and so they can adjust if there's any health risks for cows, and they can maintain, as well as if there are any issues, perhaps oversee, as well as help cows as fast as they can. IoT, Internet of Things, has potential to revolutionize various aspects of lives and industries by improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enabling new services and capabilities. However, it's also come with challenges such as security and privacy concerns, interoperability issues between devices from different manufacturers, and the need for standards and regulations to govern its widespread adoption. Yeah, exactly. So if you have a watch, that your watch not necessarily going to speaking with your house. So that's some of the things to consider. For those of you who would like to learn more, I would highly recommend to purchase a journal. In this journal, I'm sharing information how to structure your time. Overall, I am structuring this journal in for every quarter. So that means you could develop, that will be enough time for you to develop habits that will last. And you can focus on those habits. And in particular, I would be focusing on time and how everyone should be managing their time and making most of those 24 hours that every single person has. To optimize your 24 hours, I'm highlighting key areas across the day. I have done so much research myself to understand these areas, as well as I'm looking to share those areas with others. That would be things that you are grateful for, as well as reaching out to your loved ones, as well as professional contacts, health metrics, as well as your mood, uh, physical activity, time management, values, and just to name the few. You can find this journal in description below, as well as top retailers. Internet of Things and why it's important, especially when we thinking about the future. That will be efficiency and productivity. IoT can be significantly potentially how we can improve efficiency and productivity in various industries by connecting and automating devices. Process can be streamlined, reduce human interaction and the potential for errors. For example, in agriculture, IoT sensors can monitor soil conditions as well as automate irrigation systems, leading to more efficient resource use and higher crop yield. Cost savings: business and individuals can benefit from cost savings throughout IoT. For instance, in the smart homes, IoT enables thermostats can optimize heating and cooling, saving energy bills. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance based on IoT's data can prevent costly equipment breakdowns, especially during busy seasons. Enhanced decision making. IoT generate vast amount of data that can be analyzed to provide insights and inform decision making. Business can make data driven decisions to optimize operations, improve customer experience, and develop new products and services. Environmental impact. IoT can contribute to sustainability, efforts by enabling better resource management. Smart grids can optimize energy distribution, reduce wastage, and environmental impact. IoT can help to monitor and mitigate environmental issues such as pollution and climate change. Improved quality of life in healthcare. IoT devices can monitor patients' health remotely, provide early warnings, and improve patient health and outcomes. Smart cities can use IoTs to enable public services, traffic management, and overall safety, ultimately improving quality of life for residents. Just to name a few, there are way more areas. Hopefully, I covered this subject. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.